If we can picture a future state, does it realistically align with our values, capabilities, and market conditions? How would changes impact our balanced scorecard indicators? What are the potential financial, operational, customer relationship, and growth implications of this future state? If you're wrestling with questions like those, this video series is for you. In this series of videos, Growth Innovation Strategy walks you through how to design your strategy step by step, taking you from data points to a point of view. Let's get an overview of the process we'll help you with. Whether you're working with McKinsey, Bain, BCG, Deloitte, or GIS Consulting, the strategy process is the same. Now you and your team have aligned around the option set and need to force rank your priority strategic initiatives. Strategy is about making choices, and this is the step when that will happen through a force ranking effort that compares strategic desirability against size of opportunity and difficulty of implementation. Force ranking clarifies which strategies will most impact success and align with core values and customer needs. Strategies are assessed for difficulty, ensuring resources are targeted towards feasible high-return initiatives, and we're going to add some focus on opportunities that are ranked to concentrate efforts on the most promising areas for growth and customer acquisition. The process fosters objective decision-making, team consensus, and the agility to adapt strategies as needed. Force ranking strategic options by impact, difficulty, and scope of opportunity is nearly the last stage in the strategic planning process. It brings quantitative rigor and prioritization to the decision-making process, including clear prioritization on which strategic initiatives should be prioritized based on potential impact to your organization's success and alignment with your values and customer needs. Resource allocation by ranking strategies according to impact and difficulty, letting you shift resources to initiatives that are manageable and offer the highest ROI. Strategic focus, from ranking by the greatest potential for market expansion and customer engagement. And objective decision-making through a process introducing objectivity into strategic choices, mitigating biases, and enabling consensus around your team's strategic direction. There are a million tools for doing this, each designed to create clarity in uniquely uncertain environments. But the common elements are these: some strategically desirable positive element, such as opportunity size, compared with some practically undesirable element, such as cost or risk, and a third element showing the scope of opportunity or effort. Your goal is to create a 2x2 and use it to create a backlog of strategic initiatives, with the items on the top right with the low risk, low effort, high opportunity items on the top. 3 to 5 items is the appropriate number of strategic initiatives. That's because of the constraints in most organizations to carry them out. Expect the top 2 items to be clear, but expect a robust discussion around the 4th, 5th, and 6th items on your list. But the elegance of this approach is that everyone will understand how the list was created, and therefore it will be easier to build alignment, understanding, and common purpose around your top strategic initiatives. As a final check, you can return to your initial balanced scorecard and validate that your top-ranked strategic initiatives will have the impact on your scorecard you were looking for. Just as likely, you may find your previous scorecard didn't encompass the external trends and opportunities that drove your new strategy development. Through your analytical process, your vision of the future may have changed, identifying blue ocean opportunities to disrupt or envelop your competitors. If the opportunities look real, that's good news. The final challenge remaining is translating those priorities through your organization. That's how to create and use this element of strategic analysis, and here's a look at the context again to see where it fits in. That's our overview. If your organization has purchased access to our GIS strategic process, you can watch step-by-step tutorials to answer each of the 9 critical questions on the way to developing your strategy. If you would like access to this series and don't have it yet, follow the link in the notes below or reach out to strategy@growthinnovationstrategy.com. If you think you need more, such as a strategic plan assessment or review Would like help from GIS to conduct strategic planning facilitation? Want GIS to work with your team from start to finish to create your strategic plan? Or want GIS Group to provide strategic plan support to ensure you get traction and build operational momentum out of your strategic plan? Reach out to strategy at growthinnovationstrategy.com. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get more updates like this one. If you would like to take the full strategy course, visit the link in the comments below. Thank you.